Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SoFi Stock Market Analysis, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your favorite web browser. Type in the URL for SoFi's official website. Once the page loads, look for the Invest section in the main menu. Click on the Invest link, which will take you to the investment products. Scroll down until you find the option for Stock Market Analysis. Click on Stock Market Analysis to access the features offered. You may need to create an account if you haven't already. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation link from SoFi. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the SoFi website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate back to the Invest section. Revisit the Stock Market Analysis option. Explore the available tools like stock charts and analytics. Select a stock you're interested in analyzing. Use the analytical tools to review stock performance and trends. Save any relevant information or charts for future reference. Feel free to explore other features and resources available within the platform. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and accessed SoFi Stock Market Analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.